may seem strange is I had already been to Egypt and Jordan and Israel, and I came back and I was thinking about doing another tour. I was praying about it, and there's this lady that I used to take to her different doctor's appointments, and I was talking to her about it before, and then she went in there, and I looked over and there was just a sheet of paper, and it had archaeological paths on it. I looked at it and I'm like, oh, and so I picked it up and read it, and that's how I found out. Just as easy as can be, yes. I'm not sure if I have a highlight, because there are places that I wanted to see that I've heard about and, you know, I wanted to do, and that's one of the reasons I took archaeological paths, is because I would look at other things, and this brought me back here where I'd been to Egypt, but I was not able to see these places. Oh, they're concerned about terrorists and things like this, you know, that's what people are, but I'm not. And anybody I tell, they say, oh, you're going? Yeah, you know, it's perfectly safe. And I do tell them, you know, that on the tours that last year and with this one, they always provide security detail in that. So I wouldn't be afraid to. Oh, yes. I don't think they should be afraid. No. The only hold fear has over you is fear itself. And if you look at it and just say, I'm not going to be afraid, I'm not going to do it, then fear, where's it going to get it? Nowhere. I don't look at fear like a lot of people do. That's right, no time for fear. There you go, I like that. I like that, yes.